Good evening, Facebook friends, Twitter followers. A mild weekend, spring-like weekend. Of course, we had the record high temperature yesterday. Last night, thunderstorms, probably heard it if you were up early this morning, and it did drop a good deal of rainfall for portions of our area. Now, south of 64, the rains were a little more scattered in nature, but for our friends across southern Indiana, they really picked up a good deal of rain. Most areas better than an inch and a half up there towards Scottsburg, and even according to Doppler radar, about 3 inches of rain for southern portions of Lawrence County. Pretty good rainmaker out there earlier. The vast majority of that activity has departed the area, but we continue to track a few showers for our southeastern counties, right now located near Campbellsville. Got a little light shower activity. It's going to move through your area over the next half hour or so. Northern portions of Greene County, again, a brief downpour, but then that's it. That's the last gasp. And once we get this out of here, we do have a nice little dry stretch of weather coming up here, I think, as we head into the start of the work week. And then more changes after that. We did start off with the rain this morning. There's a time lapse from our tower cam. Heavy rains from early this morning gave way to a little bit of sunshine here late in the day. And that clearing trend, by the way, is going to continue across the area as well. We did very well in the temperature category today, although we did not see another record high. We hit 63, at least officially. That was our midnight temperature. Most of the day, though, in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. It felt very comfortable out there. We should be much cooler. Our average high for this time of the year right at 50 degrees. This morning, by the way, 57, the low temperature. Very, very warm stuff. 58 right now, north wind at 9 miles per hour. That northerly component to our wind will bring in a cooler air mass. Not cold, but cooler. You can see we're pushing away the 70s, and we're pushing in the low 50s from Indianapolis. It's 43 in Peoria and 38 degrees in Chicago. That's the air mass that will be arriving here as we start the work week. Not terribly cold for this time of the year, but closer to where it should be. Temperatures this evening, I think, will fall from around 50 at 10 o'clock, 2 a.m. 42. We wake up at around 36 degrees. Mostly clear, I think, for the most part, overnight tonight for Metro and in the southern portions of Indiana. Further south, those clouds will linger and some scattered patchy fog out the door tomorrow. It's later on during the work week, middle of the week, we've got to watch for a big-time storm system. We're talking about the clash of the seasons here. Warm, moist air mass is going to fight with a brutally cold air mass that's going to dive out of Canada. That's going to create a strong low pressure here as we head towards the middle of the week. We are tracking the possibility of not just rain, but maybe some thunderstorms. And yeah, there is the possibility of more accumulating snow this week. I'll let you know when. Get your full forecast tonight at 10 on WDRB News.